Hi guys, James White here, head coach of Rourke Gyms. Today, Nick and I are going to be dealing with rowing form. Rowing is an amazing cardiovascular exercise. It hits so many parts of your body and really develops your VO2 max. Unfortunately, a lot of people row incorrectly, and we're hoping to correct some of those problems today. The easiest way to think about rowing form is in ABC, CBA. A would be your legs, B would be your torso, and C would be your arms. The first thing Nick is going to do is push off the rower with his legs. That's A. Secondly, his torso is going to do some work from his abs. He's going to lean back, B. And finally, C, he's going to pull the handle just to the top of his abs. Now we just reverse that format. We go C, arms, B, torso, and A, legs. What you want to make sure of is that even when you're rowing for speed, this chain must stay nice and flat and smooth in and out of the row. Make sure as well to reach all the way in with the handle and reach all the way back. What you want when you're rowing is maximum purchase on the chain per stroke.